Who is Alexa? Alexa, or Amazon Alexa, as it is known, is a virtual assistant that works on the principles of artificial intelligence and machine learning. First released in 2013, 8 years ago, Alexa's program modules are designed in such a manner that it allows it to detect consumer intent or what exactly a customer is searching or looking for over the internet through voice recognition. Alexa can also answer simple everyday questions. What's the time, Alexa?
The time in Florida is 9:11 a.m.
Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Currently, in Poughkeepsie, New York, it's 46 degrees with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for showers, and a low of 46 degrees.
Alexa uses machine learning to learn about how you behave with technology that it comes infused in, like your mobile phone, home speaker, or other Amazon-specific home appliances and electronic devices. Over a period of time, Alexa would definitely know where your favorite restaurant is, in the city you live in, and your most ordered food item on the menu. She learns and grows with you. That's the magic of artificial intelligence made possible with the machine learning technology. The future has already begun. You can already see and interact with Alexa and her fellow cousins, Siri and the Google Assistant. The big question now, what does the future look like with Alexa and Siri walking around, living and breathing, from a technological point of view? The answer, it depends completely upon the humans that would have a hand in making these machines, program and train them to behave within set ethical boundaries of human expectations and aspirations. It's aspiring technocrats like you, the senior school and college students, on whose shoulders the responsibility of the future and its technologies fall upon. GAC, Bhubaneswar's 4-year engineering degree program in computer science and engineering with artificial intelligence and machine learning is curated, keeping the demands of the future in mind. We help train you so that you can help train them in the future. Call our counselor. Admissions open.